Good afternoon. I'm Amanda Plata, and today I'm here to teach a lesson on unknown angle. An unknown angle problem is a puzzle consisting of a figure with the measures of some sides and angles given, and with one angle, the unknown angle, marked with a letter. But before we can move to start solving the unknown angles, we're going to refresh a little bit our memory. So we're going to talk about first about three specific angles, because knowing those three specific angles will help you to solve much easier and much faster the unknown angle. So the first angle that we're going to talk about is this angle here. It's a 9-degree angle. And this little square inside, it's called corner, okay? A 9-degree angle is known as the right angle, okay? Remember one thing, the 9-degree angle don't have to always necessarily look exactly like this. The bottom ray could be facing that way, or the upper ray could be facing down. It doesn't stop from being a right angle. What matters is exactly how the angle looks. It looks like an L in different positions, okay? Now, when we look at this angle, it's a straight line, right? So that already tells you the name of the angle, straight angle. A straight angle is 180 degrees. What do we use that looks like a straight angle? It's a protractor. The protractor is exactly 180 degrees. It is a straight angle. And here on the bottom, we have a full circle. It's called a full angle. So let's look a little bit on this one. Let's take more time observing this one, okay? So this angle starts with 0 degrees here. And then I'm moving to the next degree, to the next angle, which is a 30 degree, and then a 60. And then look, a 9 degree. I highlighted here in red, 9-degree angle, correct? Then we keep moving. This is 120, this is 150, and this is 180. So just a moment, let's look at this angle. Let me grab something here. If we cover this, doesn't it look just like this? Just in a different position? Exactly. So it's 180. It looks just like your protector facing sideways. So here would be 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, and then when it completes the full circle is 360. Okay, 360. Let's look at two things here. This is a 90-degree angle, but this is also a 90-degree angle, right? So I'm gonna ask a question. How many 9-degree angles make a full circle, a full angle? The answer should be 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 90, 90, 90, and 90. Let's just look at this first part here. Here shows that this is a 30-degree angle, which is this small, plus a 60-degree angle. Interesting. What is 30 plus 60? Let's do a mental math, a fast way to solve that. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Add the 0, 90. So see, again, it's a 90-degree angles. Now, how many 180 degrees make a full angle? make a full circle, a 360 degree circle. We looked and we saw the half point here from this to this was 180. So let's count. 1, and then we're gonna circle around. 1. Oh, sorry, I meant to get another color. So use the green. It's a little better. So this will be 1, and this will be 2. So we need to put 2 180 degrees angle together to make a full circle, okay? Now that we kind of refresh our memory about angles, which we talked about the right angle, we talked about the straight angle, we talked about the full angle, we're going to start this lesson by adding angles to find the measure. But then we can move to the unknown angles, all right? So I'm gonna erase this one. I'm gonna keep those 2 here because I want you guys to start also making a connection between the angles and how when you think about them, it will make it easier and faster for you to solve the problems. So the angle that I'm gonna create now is this one. So it'll be, I'm gonna put it right here. So this angle here is a so let's look at this. When you see this angle, you're always gonna see this letter M with the angle sign and then the letters. And notice that the angle in the vertex is always in the middle. So how I read this, what does the M stands for? Stands for measure. That means how many degrees the angle PQT have. So this one, like I said, we're just gonna now add, okay? So this one we have 44 angles. So this angle is a 44, this angle is a 36. First thing I want you guys to look at it. Does it look like a 90-degree angle? Not really. But is it bigger than a 90-degree angle? No, it's smaller. And it's very close to be a 90-degree angle. So that's what I'm saying when you're trying to start thinking and looking at angles like this. So you know that this angle has to be less than 90, but kind of close to 90. If we're gonna do a mental math here, what could you do to make this calculation a little bit faster? I have a 44 plus 36. I could take my 4 from the ones place and move to the 36. 36 plus 4 would have turned into a 40. This is mental math, right? And I took the 4 away, so this will be a 40. Oh, look, what is 40 plus 40? 80. So this degree, PQT degrees is measure 80 degree. The PQT angle measure 80 degree. Let's look at a different one now. Okay, we have time for one more, and then we can move to unknown angles. Let's do another one very quick so we can kind of practice this. I'm going to do one that uses 3 numbers. The angle is separating 3 numbers. And I will put this one here. So this one, we have H, R, and S. And then the angles are 55. And this is 27 and 78. So first thing we're gonna look at, does this angle looks like a 90 degree? I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see, but no, it's a little bit bigger than a 90 degree angle. This angle here, the straight ray with this other ray here, this angle, does it look like an 180? No, it's a little bit smaller, okay? So what would it be? How many degrees an angle? The angle RHS equals to. So we're gonna calculate this. So we can do this 2 first, 78 plus 27. Look what I see here. I take 2 out of the 7 and give it to this number here. It'll become 80 plus 25. What is 80 plus 25? That equals 105. Now, 105 plus 55 equals to, what is 105 plus 55? If I take this 5, you could do that, or if you already know the answer, that's fine, and give it to this one. So this would be 100 plus 60. That is your answer. This angle here, the angle RHS measures 160 degrees. So it's a little bit smaller than 180. So now we're gonna move to solving an unknown angle. We're gonna do a couple of examples. So the first example that I have here, we're gonna use a full circle.